Hey up everyone. To coin a phrase from one of my favourite YouTubers, Really Big Monkey 1, Dave. Hey everybody. Anyway, we are we are out and about again. I think this is the third storm in a row. We've done Kiara, Dennis, and now it's Storm Jorge. Is that right, Buzz?
Jorge.
Jorge. Storm Jorge. So, hola. We're usual sites really waterlogged, so we've just done a quick reorg, quick move. Got tarp set up. It's actually sun shining, but we know it's going to hit later. So, if you want to see what we get up to, stay tuned. Cheers.
Bastard.
That's the joys of camping with your best buddy. You're doing a nice sweep around of all the countryside, and then your buddy's cussing and carrying it background. Go on, Buzz, get it in. It's fair to say there's no midges around us.
Oi, 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 oi. Be in a minute.
I'll bring you back.
Time I've looked at your life, so I don't know if you can play.
So I'm ground dwelling today. I've got that super massive type. It's the DDXL MC type. So what I've done is I've gone quite low profile. It's one I use for hammocking, but I've taken the ends in. I don't know if you can see that. Tapers in, shuts an end up. Ooh, a type. And then this end slightly open, and you've got a massive area, so me and Buzz, if it's bad at morning, can hunker down, get our cooking done in here and everything. And Buzzy's down there. So finally set up. Just got a little thermal pad underneath. Got the Miltech bivvy bag. I'll put the details on the screen. Little snug pack Bergen in the corner, and my new carving kit. Plenty of room. It's going to be toasty in there tonight. And kept it reasonably low profile. See, it blends in pretty well.
Videoing. I think
Pussful.
another pussful. If you're in a fire Drink Carpaccio. It clears your airwaves. Airwaves.
Oh,
Not waves. Fucking hell.
it is challenging one this, mate, isn't it?
Yeah, it's warm. We're warm
Warm
as
enough
toast.
round here, aren't we? We've hunkered down by the fire now.
Yeah.
But like you can see out there,
It's fucking shite. Censor it if you want. It's fucking shite.
I'm going to have to beat that out. Yeah, you can see all the sleet and snow.
Yeah.
It's starting to stick now.
Everything's sticking.
And then we've got curry. Happy birthday.
We've got a spicy curry, which should keep us a bit warm.
Oh, and just to keep it healthy,
Yeah.
Buzz has done curried veg as well.
Curry veg.
Come wild camping, explore the great outdoors. Wash your pots. Get your hands dirty. Soapy water, dirty pans. Eh?
Yeah, dirty twats don't do it at home. Not going to do it here.
Eh?
Oops, that's in for another beep. Beep.
But we have got the fire in,
The fire's back.
which was good. We were about 20 minutes ago. We literally were struggling with embers from the fire, but everything had gone wet, and we were struggling to keep it in. Never mind getting it back in. But we just had a mad do, split some wood, and got it there. But we actually enjoy washing our pans and doing our admin, even though it is snowing, blowing a gale, because if you do it right, you stay healthy.
Do.
Agreed, innit?
This is true, yeah. No germs in here. Stick your corona up your ass.
So, when you're out, don't forget to do your admin.
Wash your hands.
Yeah.
Wash your hands.